High recommended, high recommended. Exceptional, good place. Recommended. Will choose this room if I come again. Great location, value for money, room very clean. Before check-in, owner will WhatsApp all the details. Keyless check-in and check-out. Quite convenient. Parking free. Only swimming pool was dirty, gym very basic. Facilities below average. 2 queen-size bed, big enough for family of 4. Suggested provide dustbin and slipper in the room, would be more convenient for traveler. Hairdryer, plate cup, toothbrush provided, but refrigerator too small, totally useless. For long run, it's better getting a bigger size fridge. I owe a similar size fridge to use in the car, while driving a long distance. Not cold enough. Overall, this apartment worth the price. Highly recommended. KSL Residence Daya by popular host. Studio apartment very highly recommended. 2 very comfy queen beds. Big bathroom/toilet. Mini fridge fits can-size drinks. Oven toaster, mini iron board and mini iron. Lots of movie discs. Fast respond by host. Easy to follow instructions. Value for money. It is way much better than Palazzo at Austin or Ortega at Puteri Harbor. Clean and value for money. The studio was clean and neat, owner was responsive and very friendly, providing clear instructions to get to the studio and facilities around the place. Definitely recommended. Nice house, clean, friendly and very helpful owner. Highly recommended ESP parents with kids. Awesome place. This apartment is spacious and comfortable for our family of 4. 2 queen beds, nicely placed wardrobe that gives separation between the 2 beds. TV and other entertainment like board games and DVD. Small mini fridge, small oven toaster, snacks and beverages provided. Linens and soap provided. Good working aircon. Only thing, for now no Wi-Fi yet. Probably in the future. Secured and free allocated parking. Nice pool and access provided to other amenities like sky spa and gym. This is a wonderful homestay and the owner is helpful and contactable. We love it here. Nice residence and self-service system. Interesting check-in and out system, restores my faith and mutual trust existing between host and guests. Nice quaint little studio and cozy decor. Location is a little further away from the main areas of JB, but I guess having a car helps. Only thing I had to put up with was the deep humming in the bathroom caused by the air ventilator. Host provided entertainment options and prepared a simple guide to the area, so that was great. Thanks for the prompt responses via the messaging system.